Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at some of these charts, and we might as well just actually go straight in for it, because Bitcoin is what it is. It's doing what it's doing. It's kind of neither here nor there. It's holding significant areas to the upside. It doesn't look particularly like it wants to break down below this 32,000. However, never rule things out. It's definitely a strong chart. Yesterday I felt like there was a little bit of toppiness going on. Kind of have that feeling now, but really, based on what I see, if anything, we're just going to get consolidation. Anything down to 250, maybe 31,900, and then we'll see if that can hold. Until then, other altcoins are trying to have little rallies, So the one we're going to talk about right now is the one that I think is most immediately bullish. And again, I'm not talking millionaire starter kits. I know people like to think, I should be showing people like MillionX coins, but I'm not. It's just a trading setup, really. It's just all about trading. It's nothing more than that. I could talk about Forex. I used to do it, but I think people just got so turned off by it that I just stopped doing it. Algorand, right, so where are we? Fresh incoming golden cross, fresh pump signal, 4 hourly. Momentum, looking like a breakout, and also the MACD far above the 0 point. So actually this is going on for a nice run. Stop loss is below 9.5 cents, I would say, on this one. And the 12 hourly, how are you doing? So we can see that the resistance on the 12 hourly, first of all being the 200 simple moving average, has now been broken. And we're launching up towards the 200 exponential, which is around 10.55, and then the horizontal, which is just below 11. I think with the momentum that we've got here on the 4 and on the 12, and we don't have any pump signals or trend signals on this 12 hourly, but we do on the 4, should take us up to the top of the range. Now let's have a look at the Big Daddy daily. The daily is always where we want to get most excited from. So we're pushing the top of the Bollinger Band over here, crossing up above the 0 point. Most moving averages below us. It's only the 200 simple and exponential that's sitting around here at 13, which I would mark off as, if we do have a move on algo, that would be the top target. First major block to get past is going to be, we'll call it 11 cents, and then from 11 cents should see a pretty aggressive big spike up to around the upper 12-cent zone. Now, I know that is not enough for a lot of you guys out there. What are you talking about, man? What kind of trade is this? What are you trying to show me here, man? I don't want to make 27%. That's ridiculous. I won't get out of bed for 27%. Well, I'm sorry if you can't get out of bed for 27%, but I have to. This is where the money is for me, I'm afraid. You get what you're given, and you're grateful for it. The 27% top target in the interim. Now, I obviously thinking about spot trading, holding positions, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, there's a very good chance you can just buy Algorand down here, hold on to it for a couple of years, and see it grow, to a much larger extent. But today, for the rest of this week, maybe into the weekend, depending on how Bitcoin wants to behave, we're talking a max move of we'll call it around 25%, into these areas over here. I'd love to see it go higher, absolutely, and that's what Hodler's Paradise is all about. But from a trader's perspective, that would be the top target. Stumbling block along the way, once you've broken the 11 cents, a nice big move up, and it should happen quite quickly. People have forgotten about Algorand, but don't forget about it. The trading volume is actually not too bad, so something's going on right now. There are buyers stepping in on this one at the moment. So sit back, watch and wait. Relatively hopeful that we'll see a move like that. Also, the altcoins that I spoke about yesterday, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, XDC, still having the same position, so nothing's changed there. The only thing we need to think about is Bitcoin. Will it hold or will it come down to 32,000? And if it does do that, does it break? That's the main question we always have to ask ourselves. We can trade altcoins if we want, but you can't do it with that, if you're blind to Bitcoin. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. Nothing much more to say. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.